Brian's got our forecast, and we just saw you out on the weather deck. A little bit of drizzle.
Yeah, just one of those days where the chill kind of gets into you.
Yeah.
Even when it's not raining.
You know, it's funny, we talked about it around noontime where Brian kind of mentioned he'd prefer the rain to the snow, but
Yeah.
I actually think the cold rain is almost worse.
Yeah, I feel like mentally it plays different than snow.
Yeah.
and especially if it's like the powder snow that we had this winter. It doesn't even get damp
Yeah,
on your jacket.
Exactly. We can handle that, but I think we're probably past that.
We are, because the snow that we get tomorrow night is going to be that wetter snow again. And we actually have a few snowflakes out there right now, Amanda. Here's a look at the radar with the temperatures. There is a little mist and drizzle kind of flying below the radar too, but some showers up here on the mid-coast. And once you head inland a little bit, it does turn colder. And there are a few wet snowflakes that are mixing in with some of these showers right now. Even though the radar looks a little dramatic, it's nothing to be concerned about with surface temperatures in the upper 30s, but there are some wet flakes that are out there. A lot of clouds too. That won't really change until later tonight. There is some drier air back to the west that'll start to come in. Cold front is way offshore. Notice the precipitation lagging behind it. It's not too often you have a steady band of precipitation far behind a cold front. Usually you'd see it out ahead of it. Next system is over the northern plains. It's a clipper, meaning it doesn't have a ton of moisture with it, but it flares up a little bit as it comes into Maine tomorrow night, and that'll bring a round of snow tomorrow night into Saturday morning. So hour by hour this evening, spotty rain, little wet snow that mixes in spots, and just kind of gray and dismal through the evening hours. Late tonight we do clear out though, and cold air is coming in from the northwest, so we'll drop into the teens to around 20 degrees for low temperatures tonight. Sunshine will be out there tomorrow morning. It is a somewhat chilly day though. Afternoon highs will be in the 30s, and clouds will be coming in from the west during the afternoon tomorrow. This is 4 o'clock. At that point we're mostly cloudy, and there are some snow showers in New Hampshire which will come in tomorrow evening. I think initially these snow showers are fairly light and temperatures are around freezing, so these shouldn't have too much of an impact if you have any Friday evening plans. But later in the evening toward midnight, a steadier burst of some snow will come through, and this can accumulate and coat the roads, especially Portland northward, where it'll be a little bit colder. And as this moves into eastern Maine late tomorrow night into early Saturday morning, there may be some decent snowfall rates in here, particularly over down east and the central highlands into Saturday morning. And there will be some snow showers that linger in northern and eastern Maine in particular on Saturday. To the south, maybe just a spotty rain shower, and it's breezy Saturday afternoon, but there shouldn't be much after the snow that comes through tomorrow night in southern Maine. So from Portland southward, around an inch, and there probably isn't much around Kittery. 1 to 3 inches from the Lakes region back through Lewiston, Augusta, and the mid-coast. And then from the northern part of the foothills through the mountains, Route 2, Bangor, and down east, 3 up to 6 inches of this wet snow. And again, some snow showers linger in northern and eastern Maine on Saturday. We get a break on Sunday, and then this next system that comes in Sunday night into Monday looks to be mainly rain. Could start as a little snow in the mountains, but I wouldn't count on much other than a windswept rain as that one comes through. So here's a look at your next 7 days. We're kind of all over the place here. A little sun tomorrow morning, then the snow that comes through tomorrow night. Lots of clouds linger on Saturday with some snow showers up north and east. Sunday morning looks nice, but by the end of the day we're cloudy with some snow showers in the mountains. Mainly rain on Monday, and that will come with a gusty wind. Behind that it turns colder for the middle of next week. Wednesday we might only have highs around freezing.
Yikes.
Yeah.
All right, well, Tuesday maybe a chilly Patty's Day plunge for those headed out for that.
And the St. Patrick's Day hats will be flying around
in
the
yeah.
wind too. Yeah.
All right, Ryan, thank you.